What year is this car, Jimmy?
1931.
It's a Ford
Model A.
Model A.
5-window coupe.
There's the plate.
Yeah.
For all of you watching and wondering what we're doing, this is apparently the method to start it.
Gotta get that starter engaged. Alright, let's give it a fucking shot. So fuel, neutral, on, choke. Nah, it's not cranking. Let me ask you this question, Jim. You think you can push it? I can just dump it in gear?
Yeah?
Fuck it, Jim. Give this thing a push.
All right. You're going. That's how we do it.
Hop in, dude. This is reverse all the way up here.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not an H pattern, James. You gotta double clutch everything. So back in 1931, this car was used as a bootlegger, dude.
I like that.
Driven by Al Capone's mistress. So you see, like, watch when you shift this car, you gotta double clutch it. So you gotta go clutch and then into the gear again.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So that's second.
Ooh.
Not ready for second, baby.
Get a little more gas. There you go.
Get it rolling in first gear. You got the fuel pump on. The fucking starter on this thing's a piece. Alright, so watch my feet. So clutch, middle, clutch, second.
Yep, okay.
Double clutching, baby. Same thing, clutch, neutral, clutch, third.
Yep.
This car's 96 years old. Original engine.
It's insane. This is cool.
On our way to go do a job, dude.
I'm gonna run to Chicago real quick.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Letting her eat.
Is that floored?
No. No power brakes, no power steering, no air conditioning. Just 4 cylinders of fury, baby. You want to hear the horn?
Yep. No way. That's perfect.
That'd be pretty cool.
How much horsepower does it make? 25?
Something. Drive right into the pond.
See how it does off-road?
Put it out of its misery.
It's running smooth now.
Letting it get cleared out, dude. I'll float that car. Like,
Floored.
that's floored. Wow. He says the motor's been fully rebuilt, ported head. I don't know. There's no. He didn't give me any of the receipts.
Of course not.
That supposedly came with it.
Yeah, imagine driving this thing on dirt roads back in the day.
You're right.
Cross-country road trip with the family.
Taking it to go get your mom some cigarettes.
This is what he named it, Sweet Dream, or Street Dream.
Right. This is long before Young Jeezy. We'll see what's going on this side of the town.
Let's go see.
It is not bad. You got a smooth road.
No, it's not bad at all.
Got headlights, wiper.
A single wiper.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
So fully equipped. This thing's all got all the options, dude.
Everything add-on cup holder.
Right.
This is all original.
Right. They had big bevs back then.
Oh.
That carburetor float that jet, baby.
What is this?
That's my temperature gauge. Once it hits steam, you gotta turn this off.
We're still in the green.
Oh yeah, we're good. This is like driving a tractor.
It is.
It's the only way I can explain it. It's like a tractor with a car body on it.
That kid was freaked out by this thing, man. She's like, I've never seen a car like that before.
I mean, it's fucking 100 years old.
Yeah, I'm like, me either.
Right. This thing was built in Vegas. That's why it's got bandana plates on it.
Ah.
Stored in Vegas.
They love their classic cars out there.
Oh, yeah. Now we're just
No
cruising.
rust.
Right.
This is what this car likes to do, is just cruise.
That's it, dude. Like 40 miles an hour. Low RPM. It's handleable.
Yeah, that's smart. That was the smoothest first gear yet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, here. You gotta go like this.
Oh, shoot. Condition. 10 out of 10. Like a sewing machine.
Like a Rolex, baby.
Yeah, we're getting close on
Getting
that
a little
needle.
hot, close to the steam. It'll be
Okay. I don't want to pull that off.
okay. I did that on this one a little
Oh,
bit.
great.